Hello, my name is Andriy and I'd like to introduce you our newly developed tool, Google Analytics Monitoring. Data monitoring is very important. It allows to react to unexpected situations timely and with a good knowledge of the problem. I heard rumors that at the early era of Just Answer, it sometimes happened that we knew that there was a problem when our accountant called us that money is not coming to our bank account, which is not the best way to be notified. It's always good to have a watchdog that will kindly let you know that it's time to do something. Now that we heavily use Google Analytics, it became a great additional source of data that we can use to monitor anomalies for crucial company metrics. While creating the project, we wanted to reuse as much of our existing infrastructure as possible. We have the DI audit framework that can do a lot of very nice scientific calculations with the data we provide to it. It can compare observed metrics to some hard value, can check whether two observed metrics are balanced as expected, like PPC versus SEO revenue, can check whether observed values is within the historical average, and by providing Google data to it, we can compare whether our internal metrics are same. To complete the project, the following components had to be created or modified. A web service to get data from Google Analytics using Google API. SSIS audit engine was modified to support calls to our newly created web service. A couple of audits were prepared and added to our audit database, and a scheduled job was created to run the audits. The mentioned web service was created to link BI audit framework with Google Analytics. It receives Google Analytics API query URI as the input parameter and returns a metric from Google Analytics together with observation start and end dates as a VSDL compatible structure. BI team has created a Microsoft Access project for easier visual editing of audits, although you can do it directly in our JADVS1 Microsoft SQL database, as all the audit data is stored there. The scheduled job was created directly in Microsoft SQL, though BI audit framework supports any kind of scheduling, like for example from Jenkins or Windows Task Scheduler. Audit results can be viewed in BI reporting, and a warning email will be sent in case the observed metric will fall outside of permissible limits. Currently, the monitoring is set for 3 key metrics that were predefined as ADI Teams Q4 OKR. More metrics are planned to be added in nearby future, and more audit types will be used, like for example comparing a metric with an older metric from the same day of the week, and so on. We also plan to create audits that will work similarly to our Google Verify tool that compares Google Analytics metrics to our internal data. Thank you for your attention.